As you continue to spring clean your life and look around and see all that's going on in the world, you want to focus on the weeds that might be popping up. So, because it's springtime, I'm going to use a garden metaphor in terms of how you are cultivating yourself or cultivating the things in your life. So, when it comes to weeds, I want you to look at the W, which is waste of time. Where are you wasting time? Procrastinating, hesitating, shrinking, or playing small, and you need to readjust and realign yourself so that you can move in a different direction. The first E is emotional clutter. Emotionally, where are you still getting triggered? You need to face those things so you can fix them. The second E is energy vampire. So, what people, places, and things and environments you've been putting yourself in is sucking energy and life from you and taking away from you being able to be your best, fierce, confident self. The D stands for data beliefs. What belief systems are running your life that are holding you back from the love you desire, holding you back from the financial gains and money that you desire? Look at every area of your life and look at your beliefs and make adjustments accordingly. And then lastly is the S is stop trying to control everything. Learn to surrender and let go, right? So that you can let God move in the way that he needs to during this season so that you can reap the rewards next season.